What's up, YouTube? What is What's up, YouTube? The question for today is, should you buy the cheapest headset on Amazon?
Or should you get something a little better?
Stick around to find out in this video.
Welcome to the channel, Reviews with Rhys. This little man here has, what are those?
Rhys K8s.
Okay, and what did you need them for?
I needed them for school because I did not have any headset that would work.
Sorry about the squeaky chair. These are them, the Rhys K8s. Now, why do we have two boxes of these?
We have two boxes of these because the first one, it's in that box. They think so high of their products that they don't even want us to send it back.
So we had a problem with these.
Well, only a little problem. The cord phrase. If you don't put your head a specific way, the left earbud, it just won't work. It won't make any noise at all. You have to do one of these. So you're talking to your teacher like this on your call.
Doesn't look very good.
Yeah. So the second pair had another one of these problems, except this time it does it on both headsets. So
the first set lasted about a month. Then they didn't even want them back. They just said, here you go, here's another set. These also lasted about a month. So what do we do with them?
Throw them over there, because they suck.
Exactly. So let's go to something else. This is a Corsair set. This is one of their best sellers. This is going to be a wireless set. It's going to be chargeable. Battery life is great. The sound quality is good. I've actually used this to even record a few YouTube videos and voiceovers. However, I'm not saying I have a small head. This kid definitely doesn't have a small head. But these things do not want to stay on my head. They fly off. They are super loose. And when you have pandemic hair, it's even worse. So, I love these things, but
Same thing happens with the
yeah, they don't work so good.
Same thing happens with these. You put them on, you're ready to do your classes. They just fall off.
Long story short, no headbanging in class, kids, okay? There they go. So, around Christmas time, you got a gift, and what did you get?
I got Skull Candies. They're little earbuds, basically AirPods, and they have this little charging case. Sound quality is great, mic quality is great, and the battery life is also great. 4 hours on the earbuds. And they also have rapid charging, so 10 minutes of charge gets you approximately 2 hours of using it. So.
And one of the benefits of those versus my headset, wherever they went, here they are, versus these, is that these, though they may be wireless, how am I hooking that up to my phone? I can't. So this is a single-use item. What about your Skull Candies?
My Skull Candies, they can hook up to my computer and my phone. Because
they're Bluetooth, he has both options. So for the $18 over there, you can get the Rhys that are going to break twice in 2 months. Or if you're looking on Amazon, don't go for the bottom of the barrel. Don't go for the $18 set. Under 20 bucks, $25 is going to be a little cheap. We recommend getting from like $30 to $50 range. That's when you'll start getting good quality and they won't break in a month. So instead of the $20 range or the cheap range, jump up to the next level. For you, if that's $20 to $40, great. You're probably going to end up with a better product. If you can jump up to the $50, $60 range, you're probably going to end up with something pretty darn good, like those Skull Candies. Those are, what are they, Indy Evos, I think?
Yeah, Indy Evos.
So if you want to check those out, there'll be a link in the description down below for all of the headsets that we have been talking about.
No, there's not going to be one for the Rhys. Those
you don't want to put that link in there?
No, that's not happening.
Maybe we can make a link down there and it'll just be like a picture of us breaking them, hitting them with a hammer. A new channel series, and it'll be Will It Cut? And we'll just run them through a table saw and see what happens to them. Who knows? Let us know how we did on our first vlog. Give us some comments down below. Let us know. Do you have problems?
I have an old blender over there. So.
Ooh, an old blender. Will It Blend? Yeah, but see, Will It Blend's already taken though, so we need to come up with our own twist.
Yeah, take one of the earphones. Here, look. My dad threw it over here.
Oh my God. Okay, so I wonder why they don't work so well. Oh, there, it goes right back together. Oh yeah, it's pretty good.
See this?
I'm gonna get hit. I'm gonna get hit. Get out of here. We don't need to break it on camera. With that in mind, we'll see you next week. We'll have more products to review, more to teach you and your kids about what is and is not good out there. And don't buy the cheapest stuff.
No, just don't. It's horrible.
See you next time on Reviews with Rhys.